Well, hello there, boys. Well, babies, would you like to go outside and go? Okay, are you ready, baby? Here we go. Oh, that's so good, boys. Alright, now be careful. Don't get into anything that's bad for you. Alright, well, that looks harmless. Alright. Alright, babies. Alright, my boys. Mr. Teddy Bear, a good baby. Mr. Copper, that's a good baby. Well, good boy, Mr. Teddy Bear. Yeah, you found a nice spot right there, did you? All right, good boy. Good boy. All right, babies. All right, my babies. Be careful. Yes, yes, be careful. You don't want to fall off of the rocks. Yeah. All right. Well, just a second. We're getting split up here. All right. All right. Well, let's have a look here. Mr. Teddy wants to look here. Just a second, Copper. Just a second, Mr. Copper. Okay, Mr. Teddy's ready. Yeah. No movement on that house that burnt. I'm the one that called that in. I was the one that saw it. The guy died in there, him and his dog both. I saw that smoke coming out the window. I figured that ain't good. And it turns out it wasn't. It's a bad morning. All right, babies. There you go. I don't know if the camera picked it up, and the guy standing down there in the woods. On a Saturday morning. This isn't an awful morning for a walk. At least it's not raining for once. Alright, let Daddy see. Okay, go babies, go. Go babies, go. Go babies, go babies. Oh, good boys. Yes, that's my good babies. Alright, thank you babies. Looks like we made it. We have crossed the street. There you go, fellas. Yeah, that's a good place right there. All right. Yeah. Okay, good boy, Mr. Teddy. All right, Mr. Copper, be careful, honey. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. All right, there's a good boy. Woohoo. Okay. Good job. Good job. All right, fellas. We are on our way. Having a good walk. Walking and more walking. Keeping it real. Yeah, keep young that way, don't we? Be careful. See that flashing blue light at Freddy's all the way from here. Oh, that's a good boy. Look at those good boys. Mr. Teddy Bear. Oh, Teddy dance. That's a Teddy dance right there. Oh, Teddy dancing. Woohoo, Teddy Bear. Thank you, Mr. Teddy. That was a fine Teddy dance. Good start to the day. Getting them Teddy dances. Here we are. Alright, let's check price of gas over there. That gasoline is at $5.19. $5.19 for the regular. There's a Chevron well there, but I can't tell what that is yet. We'll find out, and then we'll look at the 76, see what they're selling it for, right across the street from the Chevron, see what difference it makes. Gasoline, it's on everybody's mind today, I don't doubt. Alright, you okay out there, Mr. Copper? Everything copacetic? You got it going on? Mr. Teddy Bear? How you doing, buddy? You looking good? All right, Mr. Teddy, Mr. Copper. That's my boys. That's my good boys. All right, babies. Yeah, we'll get there. Take it easy, fellas. It's all on the schedule. Alright, let's not get involved with that. Come on now, Mr. Teddy Bear. I don't know what that is, but you don't want it. I don't want you to have it. That's a good boy, Teddy. What a good boy, Mr. Teddy Bear. Daddy is pleased with you. That's a good boy, Copper. Copper's a good boy. Yeah, Copper is a very good boy. Alright, now let's not eat nothing. Come on. Yeah. Let's not eat nothing. Double negatives always get the job done. Careful now, babies. Thank you. That's a good boy. Huh. Oh, yeah. All right, babies. Let me see. Okay, it looks clear. Everything's good here. Looks like Planet Fitness is busy on a Saturday. Everybody getting their workout on. Dedicated physicalists. It's the ethos. They got it all up in there. Welcome to Bargain Bliss. That's what that truck said. Huh. Alright. Mr. Teddy, how you doing there, buddy? Everything alright? You getting along over there? Okay, good boy. What a good boy. You are indeed a good boy. Alright, here we go, fellas. Here we go, fellas. Gonna go for walks. Alright, be careful, Mr. Copper. Alright. Be careful, babies. There's a lot of good things going on out here. Actually, it's not true. It looks pretty quiet. Whew, $5.39 at the Chevron. Well, they're not offering much of a discount. $5.19 back here at the Snell. Huh. Alright, babies. Let's go see what's up. $5.39 as opposed to $5.19. Let me see. Tough decision. Oh, but the Chevron has a coffee shack. It's worth another 20 cents a gallon. That's my boy, Mr. Teddy Bear. Good boy, Copper. All right. Huh? All right, babies. All right, boys. Come, babies.
Okay, we gotta go get our baby chicks.
All right, babies. Come on, boys. Wilco opens at 7 o'clock now. We're keeping farmer hours. Ah, yeah, but it's spring. So you would do that. Yeah, open early. The farmers be out there getting it. Need to get in here and get their supplies. Good on Wilco. Propane's still the same price. I wonder if they're filling their canisters or if they reduce the volume to cover their costs. They haven't changed the price, but it's more expensive to get. I gotta believe they're not filling the tanks up. Or that sign is wrong. Or both. Alright, 519 at the 76. So Chevron's an outlier at 539. I just can't believe I saw that price. 539 with 519 in two places next to it. Are there people failing to do the math on that, I wonder? Come here, Mr. Teddy Bear. Come here, Mr. Teddy Bear. Come here, baby. Come here, honey. Come here, sweetheart. Come here, baby. It's okay, honey. It's okay. Come here, babies. Come here, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Good boy, Mr. Teddy Bear. Now come with Daddy. Come on, we gotta go up here. I know what you want to do, but you can't do it from here. Come here, babies. Come here, babies. Come with Daddy. Come on, babies. Come with Daddy. Come, babies. Come here, babies. Come here. It's okay, Teddy. We're gonna go. Come here, baby. Come here. Alright, are you ready? Go, babies, go! Go, babies, go! Go, babies, go! Come on now, let's get across this. Alright, good boys. Woohoo! There you go. There you go. Yeah, we get the blood moving.